Storing Bools in SQLite database. In my table schema, when connecting to DB, I insert a record like so, along with a parameter dict containing disabled, false. When I read that record back, my func is called to convert the Boolean type. Result 0, which of course evaluates as true when I want false. I want bools stored as 1-byte integer. I simply want to convert them to Python bool when reading records. Other parts of code expect bools, not ints. Is SQLite storing them as strings or converting them to strings before calling my func? Why? P.S. I tried using SQLite 3.register_adapter, bool, int, to no avail.
You want to use a combination of register_adapter and register_converter for the two directions. SQLite uses a dynamic type system, but for custom types it has no way of knowing for certain if 0 is a string or an integer, so you get a string back here. Alternatively, use which is a lot more flexible and robust when it comes to legacy data, but perhaps you want an exception to be raised. Demo.
SQLite 3 doesn't have a Boolean type, just store your field as an integer instead. A custom converter type takes the string representation of a stored column, and then you're expected to use that to create a new type from it. If you did something like you'll get a bool returned, which is what I think you want. However, you will need to make sure to handle exceptions, otherwise they get silently suppressed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.